On closing day, the code you're given for the front door will also open the garage door. You flip it up, punch in your code, hit enter, the door will open. If you'd like to change that code, you need to come up to your opener, open the side panel that gets you access to your buttons. There is a yellow button in here. It's called the Learn button. And if you hold that LED turns on, and you keep holding it until the LED turns off. Now that it has turned off, all old codes have been replaced. To program a new code in, you hit the Learn button and let go. You come back over to your module, hit a new code. I'm just going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you hold the enter button. It will flash. Now this has been programmed to open that door. The other thing that you will have to do is get your visor button from the drawer in the kitchen. And to reprogram it, it's the same operation. Hit the Learn button and then hold this button. When that flashes, these are now paired as well. Now your button out there and your visor button will both operate this garage door. Thank you.